Most of the times, you, me, and everyone would have thought that if God has ever given us the capacity to change someone else's mind. Hello everyone, welcoming all to Manifesting Dream ADC. In today's topic, we are going to discuss on how to change someone else's mind using law of attraction. This is the question that I get almost all the times. Yes, you heard it right. Now you can definitely change someone else's mind using law of attraction. And how it is done, let me tell you. The perception about a person, that is the most important, or that plays a vital role here. What is the perception about you with that other person or with that specific person whom you are trying to change their mind? Be it your boyfriend, be it your mother-in-law, be it your friends, be it your boss, be it any family members or anyone else in the world. The first basic thing that you need to think is, what is your perception about that specific person? If that specific person's, if you are getting angry towards that person, remember, you can only get angry. You can only get all sort of negative emotions from that person. If you are able to think, or if you are able to eradicate that negative emotion with a high vibrational positive energy, then definitely you can manifest that person. So let me tell you an example. If I am angry with a person, or if I am angry with my husband or with my boyfriend, what sort of emotion I will be having? I will be very angry towards him. Of course, I will not be talking to him. I will not be very happy with him. So this is a sort of negative emotion that I am having towards him, right? Remember, the world is like a mirror. Your emotions are something that you can see in the form of reflection in other people's emotion towards your other people act towards you. If you are in a high positive state of mind, and if you are having a very good atmosphere with the other person, then definitely that particular emotion is captured. For example, if you are having a very loving emotion with the other person or with the opposite person whom you want to change their mind, if you are having that specific persons, or if you are having a very good emotion with that person, loving emotion, then definitely you can expect the same loving emotion to you. This is the basic principle. In order to attain good things, you need to produce the goodness to others. Just imagine you as a sun, and the rays of the sun are all those lights that we get, right? So the sun is not limiting its solar energy, or sun is not that particular form of energy which has limited its solar energy to a particular area. It is shattering its light to each and every human being, every insect, every reptile, every animal, every tree, every plant, every shrub, every herb, whatever things that we are seeing, the sun is radiating its energy without selflessly it is giving. In the same way, we have to consider ourselves as a sun, and we have to radiate that energy of love. When we radiate the energy of love to the other person, automatically their perception about us will change. I am pretty much sure that this is very simple method, and in this method you can definitely change. For example, I'll tell you, if you are having very bad time with another specific person, with your boyfriend or with your girlfriend, then all the thing you need to say is, I am having a very healthy and a very joyful relationship with my boyfriend. I am having a very healthy and a happy relationship with my boyfriend. If you are having problem with your girlfriend, you can, instead of boyfriend, you can replace it using girlfriend. If it is in the case of your boss, you can, instead of boyfriend and girlfriend, you can replace it with boss. If you are having relationship with anybody, then you can replace that particular word with that particular person. What you need to say, you have to say is, I am having a joyful and a happy relationship with my love, or with my, instead of with my love, you have to say my boss, or with my client, or with my neighbor, or with anyone else in the world. So what happens is, their attitude, their perception about us too will change. This is the only one method that can help you to change someone else's mind. I know that by using this one technique, you can change the whole world around you. Someone new, please consider in liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. If you are someone who has already subscribed and is a member of my family, please consider in liking, sharing and commenting to this video. Till then, take care, stay tuned and bye-bye.